Okay, it's starting to look really fun. Okay guys, so I have a really inexpensive Christmas gift idea that I think you're gonna love. I would love this if I got a gift because I'm super into organic, clean products. And what better clean organic product than Shea butter? Shea butter actually can moisturize your skin along with cleaning your pores out using really natural ingredients. It's very soft on your skin and it's very, 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 very healthy for you. So that paired with essential oils, some lavender, some tea tree oil, and you have the perfect homemade gift that may cost you $2. Okay, so I've been just cranking out a whole bunch of like DIY projects today. But this is the shea butter that I got. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna melt and pour the soap. Shea butter is really great for moisturizing your skin, and we're gonna make shea butter soap into these molds. Now you can find a lot of fun molds, but these are the most basic I could find. And I just wanted one cart of these. And then I'm going to also put lavender inside the soap along with some essential oils. Okay, so what you gotta do is you gotta chop this block up. It's pretty like sturdy, so wish me good luck.
This is your reminder. Think of somebody who is that you are doing.
I think you want to make sure that all the clumps are gone. Like, can you see how there's just some? Like right there. Make sure that's done. And then you're good to go. Okay, so I put like a whole bunch of essential oils. For some reason, I just have tea tree oil. And then I'm gonna pair it with my lavender flower petals. Okay, it's starting to look really fun. Look at it. I love it. That's so great. It smells so good. It's gonna be such a great gift. People are gonna love it. I'm gonna put it in the fridge now. Here's the next part of making soap. You just have to put it in the fridge or the freezer, depending on how fast you want these bars of soap to harden, and then you're done. I also bought a lot of, they are paper bags that you can just package them in and then just tie it with a little bow on top. And there you have it. So you have 10 gifts ready to go for $2.50. That's what it comes out to. It is so good for your skin, and it's gonna be such a great gift for coworkers, friends, family, you name it, because it's made by you. It's really healthy for them. You're using really great products. And so I hope this is helpful and that you found a gift for somebody who you were struggling to find a gift for. This is a great idea. So I linked all of the products below. Hopefully this helps. And if anything, you just learned a little bit more about shea butter, the benefits of it, and how to make soap. So if you like this video, please share it, like it, and subscribe for more just, I don't know, life, faith, fashion, and family. All right, guys, I'm Hannah Lynn, and thanks for watching.